So fractions on a number line seem to be a very tricky topic for students in class. So I wanted to go over that so that it could be more easily understood. So we know what a number line looks like, but here when we have fractions, fractions are parts of numbers. So we could have numbers between 0 and 1. And if we create our fraction like this and we have a mark here, we have to know what fraction does this number line represent. Well, first we're going to need to find our denominator. So the denominator is the total number of pieces, but in this case we're going to look at jumps, the total number of jumps. So if I jump from 0 to the first line, that's one chunk. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in between 0 and 1, I have 6 equal chunks. So that is my denominator. Now I have to look at where my mark is. So I go from 0 to the first line, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that number, or that mark, is on the 5th jump after 0. So this number line represents 5/6. I'm going to do another one. So we have a number line in between 0 and 1. So we have, it looks like this. What fraction does this represent? Well, what's the total number of jumps or pieces between 0 and 1? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm looking at 4 total jumps. My mark is after the first jump, so this represents 1/4. Now, mixed numbers get a little bit trickier. So we could have a number line, and let's say we have 0, 1, and 2 now. So we are going to say, what fraction is this? Now, we need to look at numbers between the holes. So this, it goes from 0 to 1, and my mark is past that. So I know that my number is at least one hole. Now I need to look between 1 and 2 to figure out the fraction, since 1 and 2 is where my mark lies in between. So I'm going to do just what I did up here. So you count jumps, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have one hole from this area over here, and then I have my fraction is out of 4 pieces, and it's 2 jumps after the last hole, so that's 1 and 2/4.